Friends, Running Kimono here. So this is the best paper deals at Walgreens from the week of the 18th to the 24th of January. Some of this is ordered curbside and some of this is done in store, and we're going to break it up, including a $1.99 stock up price for some of this paper, which is a spectacular deal. So the first part of the deal, we're going to be looking at this curbside, meaning you're ordering this stuff through the Walgreens app, hitting the box on the left-hand side with the green check, putting in your order, paying for it, driving to the store and picking it up, and that is lovingly known as a curbside pickup. Why it is so advantageous to do curbside pickup this week is because of this magic code, 20% off with Friends 20 on general merchandise, paper included. You cannot get this in-store deals, only curbside, so that's why a lot of us are going this way this week. Deal number one, again, we're doing this one curbside, and it's on this magic, which is a buy two, get one for free on the Walgreens bath, tissue, or paper towel. Paper towel is completely cleared in my area. I don't know why. If you might have this booster and you wish to use it, you'll have to pay the balance with your debit card. If you don't, you can use Walgreens cash. Hopefully I've explained that crystal clear. So for this first basket, we're going to throw in 6 of these toilet papers. They're on a buy 2, get 1 for free promotion, so 2 of them will technically be free. And with that fancy dancy discount code, check this out. $4 off with Friends 20. This is exactly what I'm talking about, and this is the type of product I would definitely stock up on right now. Just to have it in your stockpile. I think it's a smart item to be buying right now, paper. 6 in a basket is exactly 20. Subtracting that discount code, you're still at $16 for the spend 15 to earn back 5, so you're still there. Bit of tax, so with your debit card, if you have that booster, you're paying $16.96 and you're getting back $6. 5 and then an additional $1 for buying that Walgreens product. Alternatively, if you do not have the booster, you can use up to $10 in Walgreens cash. You'll pay $7 for 6 of these paper products, which is still a fantastic deal. Next deal that we're looking at, again, we're doing this one curbside, and if you might have this, pick and choose wisely how you wish to use this booster. It is of a one-time use. So for this one, we're going to be grabbing 2 of these larger packs of the Angel Soft. This lasts us about a month in our upstairs bathrooms. $10.99, original price $15.99. We have a very chintzy 50-cent coupon, but we'll take it. Here's the magic. Using Friends 20, we're getting $4.30 off of our order, which is so much better than any manufacturer coupon. The overall total is $21.98. Subtracting $4.30, you're at $17.68. You're still at that $15 marker if you're using the booster. You'd pay $18.24 with your debit card if you're using a booster. And you're getting back 5, which still makes it a great deal for these larger packs. Alternatively, if you have no booster, you can use up to $10 of Walgreens cash. Still a great deal, but no Walgreens cash back as it's hinged on that booster of spend 15 to earn back 5. Okay, the next deal that we're looking at, again, we're going curbside, and if you still might have this one. And then last week we had $2 Scott coupons on the toilet paper and paper towel. If you still might have them, if you didn't do the deal last week. It's a 2 off of 2 for 2 of the toilet papers. And then we also have the same one for the paper towels. And they're on a buy one, get one 50% off promotion. So make sure you load all of your friends. So that'll be $15. Get the math to balance. I'm also going to throw in 2 of these little cuties for $1.88. Making it an additional $3.76. With the code FRIENDS20, we're saving an additional $2.96 off of this basket, so that's not bad, along with the $4 in Scott coupons. Overall total here is $18.76. Subtracting $2.96, you're at $15.80. So if you're using a booster, you're still going to get it. For the balance, after the $4 digital, you'll pay $12 whatever plus whatever tax you have in whatever state you're living in, and then you're going to get back $5. Alternatively, if you do not have that booster, you can use $10 of Walgreens cash, pay $2.75 for 6 units of paper, and call this a really great deal. We're back to being in store, and this deal involves a register reward, and that's why we're in store. Again, if you might have this booster, or alternatively, if you have the paper booster to this, you can use either one or both in store. $5.49, buy 4, get back a $5 register reward, and that is in store only. So you're going to grab an assortment, a fancier paper towel, a cheaper toilet paper, a puffs, and a CHARMIN of a little 4-count, either in the strong or the soft, so red or blue. Remember, class, you're doing this in store, so 4 of these paper products, remember to get an assortment. It's $21.96. Each product has a $1 digital coupon. Go and load all 4. Have your e-booster loaded. You're going to pay $17.96 after all of the coupons melting off with your debit card. Get back a $5 register reward and $5 in Walgreens cash. That's $10 back, making it $7.96 for the 4 or $1.99 per unit. This is a stock-up price. Do not use any Walgreens cash to pay down the balance if you're using a booster, but go and make some of these deals happen. As always, thanks for watching, guys. We'll catch you in the next one.